Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Simone. I make lifestyle videos and vlogs, but today I am doing a product review that I am so excited about. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe so you can see more of my content. So today we're talking about a surprisingly cool brand, Level8. And when I say surprisingly cool, no shade there. It's just that Level8 was not on my radar. A few years ago, I did a review on the Away suitcases and their nightmare that they gave me trying to order some during this crazy random sale that they had. And I really love my Away suitcases. So when Level8 reached out for an opportunity for me to review their suitcases, I was a little skeptical until I seriously did my research, and Level8 is freaking cool. Level8 is luggage made for traveling efficiently. The founders of Level8 obviously knew that travel can sometimes be stressful and annoying. So with that in mind, Level8 suitcases can eliminate a lot of that stress, at least when it comes to packing and transporting your precious cargo. Level8 suitcases offer the perfect balance of style and functionality, and I am so excited to show you what Level8 sent me. I was able to receive the full aluminum carry-on. Guys, this thing is beautiful. I've always wanted like this serious aluminum look. I love it. I would see people in the airport with aluminum luggage and I'm like, dang, I thought I was cool with my way, but look at that. I've had my luggage for a few months now, so I've had more than enough time to test it, and the features offered are the features you get and more. The Level8 Gibraltar aluminum luggage is finely crafted with aerospace-grade aluminum magnesium alloy. Level8 made sure their products are designed to promote a sense of intelligence, confidence, and maturity, along with excellence and functionality, and they killed it. The first thing I noticed when unboxing this baby is, oh my gosh, where is the zipper? There is no more zipper. There's no more trying to sit down and sit on your luggage and zip up something and then your zipper gets caught in something that's hanging out of your luggage. No more of that. The dual TSA-approved locks ensure that your belongings are safe throughout your travels. This carry-on has ultra quiet 360-degree durable spinner wheels, so you can do the kind of lean with when you pull your luggage, or you can have it standing upright and just roll it on through. And it's a very smooth and, like I said before, a quiet rolling experience. The carry-on is only 20 inches. It's the perfect carry-on size. So what I really like about the size and the design of this suitcase is, you know, when you're in the airport and you're like trying to put your carry-on, especially for women, okay, it can get awkward. When you're trying to put your suitcase in the overhead bin and like you're trying to hold it a special way. And this baby has two handles, one on the top and one on the side, which allows you to pick up your luggage seamlessly and just put it in there. And it's so easy. So one feature that I was so shocked to see in my luggage was it came with a 4-piece luggage organizer set. I was like, what? I was blown away because that set retails for $49.99 on the website, and it came along as a complimentary gift. It was inside my luggage, so I did not expect it. But guys, this packing cube set is amazing. It comes with 4 different cubes, 1 extra large cube for clean clothes, 1 large cube for dirty clothes or shoes, a medium travel cube for electronic gadgets and cords, a cosmetic bag for various cosmetic items, and it's in this polyester fabric that has an anti-mildew and water repellent technology. So that's really great, especially for your makeup bag. If you have like, you know, your cleanser, your shampoo in there and it may leak, you can almost guarantee that your other items within your luggage will not get soiled. Another really cool feature about the luggage organizers that I was like, whoa, that is really innovative, is they have these little detachable rubber patches that you can stick on each little bag so you can see like, oh, that's my clothes, oh, that's my cosmetics, oh, that's my shoes. You don't have to wonder and dig around and open each little package or cube to see what it is. I was reading this book recently called The Gold Standard, and one amazing thing that lets you know that a company cares about customer service is they give you things that you didn't even know that you needed. So that's one of those things, and that's the things I look for when I say, okay, this is a good product, and that really blew me away. So Level8, that was pretty cool. So the inside of the luggage has a double compartment, of course, One side on the left has a zippered flap for you to place smaller items or items you just want to divide from the rest of your cargo. In order to open the flaps, it has this really nice kind of latch situation that stretches. So when you overpack, you'll still be able to close your suitcase. And I really like the latch functionality opposed to a zipper for all around support. I just feel like that latch gives it that extra stretch so that if you do overpack, you'll be good. And on the note of overpacking or just packing in general, let's get down and dirty and see what it's like to pack this baby. All right, welcome to the floor. And we're joined by my Level 8 20-inch aluminum carry-on. I wanted to show you guys what it's like to actually pack this guy. So I have some items. I'm simulating a 2 to 3 day packing experience. When I think of how you would use a smaller carry-on, you would only pack for about 2 to 3 days in it. So I have used the included packing cubes you see here. And I've just packed some laundry I've been meaning to fold for a minute, but I folded it to put it in here because that's generally how I pack. I try to get the most out of my equipment by folding it. I mean, it makes your clothes smaller and tighter, and you're able to get a little bit more. So I have all 4 packing cubes ready to pack in there. I also have 2 pairs of shoes. I have my camera equipment, and I have a large set of headphones. I have a tripod, and I have 2 books. That's generally the items that I would pack. So let's see how this would work. Guys, I love this feature. Like, this is just so smooth and clean. Down. Okay, my dog fits, so that's perfect. Okay, but you gotta move. Okay, so I would start with the large pack here. And it fits perfectly. And this has like a bunch of sweaters, some jeans. Then I would put in my cosmetics bag. And oh, let me show you guys. The cosmetics bag, it has like dividers in there. I love that. So here's my like fake cosmetics that I would put in there. And it even has a little pocket at the top where I filled some stuff. Put that in there. And then we have my electronics bag. Boom. Okay, I purposely overpacked this section because I want to show you how amazing this latch situation would be. So, boom, boom, smooth. Smooth, and it's not like super pressurized and pushing my stuff down. And even if you didn't want to have this flap, you can remove this. I'm not though, because I love this feature. All right, let's flip this over and continue packing the rest of our luggage. Boom. So obviously this is the side that the handle is placed, so you have a little bit of limited packing ability, but let's see how this works. So I'm going to put the laundry bag, or what I've dedicated as a laundry bag, over here. And then I'm gonna add 1 pair of shoes, which I like to do it to the side. Another pair of shoes. Boom. My tripod fits right here, possibly. Get in there special. My books. Oh gosh, guys, let's see. I can do my earphones here. And the latch will not fit. With my earphones, the latch will not fit. Even without my earphones, the latch won't fit. So I'm noticing that, hey, with my books, the latch will not fit. So that's pretty interesting. As I slide it under. Okay, boom, I figured it out. However, I'm leaving out 2 of my items. Maybe I can fit them over on this side. Let's see. Remove the latch. My earphones. And of course that won't fit. So, does this pass my 3? So let's put it up. And let's close it. overpack situation. Wow, amazing. If anything's sticking out, this is just a tag. And it's seamlessly closed. I mean, whoa, there's no gaps. There's nothing, nothing's gonna fall out of here. So with the packing test, I was able to fit 2 to 3 days worth of clothes and necessities. I was unable to fit my camera box, but I guess I would just have to find elsewhere to carry it. Even with this product filled to the brim, the wheels are still moving so smoothly and they're so quiet. Uh-oh. Oh. All the functionality is still available. I love, like, guys, when I tell you I love this suitcase, I love this suitcase. I love the way it looks. I love the way it works. I love the hidden features that I mentioned I didn't even think about. This is a really, really, really nice piece of luggage. Okay, guys, you saw my packing test. You heard my personal review and accolades. I love my Level 8 carry-on. Would I say this is one of the best carry-ons in 2022? Yeah. I mean, the style and the functionality is unmatched. It's so lightweight, and I just cannot get over those hidden features that will make traveling so much easier. So this suitcase right now retails for $399.99, but if you head over to Level 8's website with the link provided in my description, you can get this carry-on for $382.99. And currently Level 8 is having a buy one get one sale with free shipping to the United States and Europe. Do not miss out on this deal. Do not miss out on having one of the best carry-ons you can. I 100% recommend this product to you guys. Thank you so, so much for watching. If you have any questions about this suitcase or the Level 8 brand, please reach out. I'm happy to help. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.